What's up, guys? A couple days ago I decided that I wanted to buy a new handgun that's mostly for concealment. I was looking at a couple of guns. It was between Ruger LCP 380 and the LC9. I even looked at the Tomcat. There's a few things I didn't like about those guns. I've heard that the Tomcat kicks like a mule, and the what was it? The LCP 380 also kicks pretty bad. Anyway, as I was talking to a few guys, one of them mentioned something about Diamondback. So I looked at it and I absolutely loved the gun. It resembles, there's the case is great too. The gun itself resembles, to me, it kind of looks like a miniature Glock. Came with the white dots. A very, very thin handgun. It is not loaded. It's called DB9, obviously Diamondback, and it's 9mm. It's kind of hard to see that. There it goes right there. DB9. Company's out of Florida. I mean, this thing is super thin. I've just ordered a case for it. Well, a carry it's in the pocket holster. That should come in pretty soon. Let's see, these two clips, one on each side, field strip. You push those both down, slide comes right off. What else? This is the clip release. It only came with one clip, which I don't, like I said, it's only going to be for me to carry, so I really care less how many clips it comes with. Holds 6 in the clip and 1 chambered. I'm not gonna. There it is. Look how, I mean, that is just very thin. I love it. It shoots. I shot it today. It shoots amazing. This was the result. It took a while to get used to it. Maybe like, I don't know, quite a few rounds, I suppose. Most of these were getting used to it, and then my grouping was pretty nice. A little more on the right hand side there, but overall I think not too bad. Yeah, so that's the new gun. Great little great carry gun. I would recommend at least trying it out, or anything like that, The other thing I don't like about the case is it doesn't have foam on this side, so I'm gonna go buy some real thin foam and put it in there. Instruction manuals. As far as located. Very simple gun, not too much to it actually. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoy.